the show from when we were here. When was it, in May?
We were here in June.
June, that's what I said. Anyway. But this song, I went to the studio and recorded this song called The Sound of Lonely. And the song Yeehaw, which you'll see the video right after we're done. And we actually did a live version of this song in Phil's studio. And I kind of like the live version better than I like the studio version, and that's just kind of me. So this is the live version, because I'm here and I'm alive.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, it's It's also a bonus track. I know, I have blind moments all the time. And I fix good stuff. Clocks ticking, sounds like the engine of a runaway train. The voice is dripping, sounds like pounding, the cold hard rain. Every breath sounds like howling wind, and the cry of a cricket is like a violin. Back to the sound of lonely, when you're the only one left, when love walks out, when you're sound lonely. The echo of a pin drop sounds whole lot like a tree falling down. When the quiet's shaken by the sound of your heart breaking, 'cause you can't drown it out. When the thoughts in your head get amplified by at least 1,000 times, that's the sound of lonely. When you're the only one left, when love walks out, when your heart is empty and barely beating, the silence sure gets loud. That's the sound. That's the sound of lonely. That's the sound. That's the sound.